Hello guys, so today guys we have another sneaker vlog guys. So today's vlog we have the Air Jordan 4 Thunder Red or Crimson Red or I don't know, marami silang tawag, but in StockX nakalagay is Thunder Jordan 4 Red Thunder. So ayan guys, let's unbox the pair and on foot natin guys. So again, but before anything else, ayan, flex time. I want to say thank you kay Dudong at kay Pops Rendal sa sa atin nito. Pagkap ng ating Jordan 4. Actually, we have 2 pairs. Kaya, ayun. Pag trip talaga natin ng pair, guys, na ito lagi tayong extra. Kasi nga, maganda talaga color blocking nito, guys. I like the color blocking. It's almost similar with the Jordan 4 Breads. So, yan. Let's unbox and check the quality and compare, guys, to our Breads na Jordan 4. So, let's start now, guys. Again, shoutout kay Pops Rendal, Joseph, and kay Dudong. Kay Seth. Yun ka. So, ito. First, ayan. Similar with our Jordan 4 boxes. Nung nasa taas doon. It's cement yung dito niya. Type. Pero medyo malaki yung 9.5. Actually, it's 9.5. So, ayan. All my Jordan 4 now. Jordan 4 and Jordan 3 and 11. I got always half size. And Jordan 1, yun. Through the size tayo. So, ayan guys, Jumpman with the red Jumpman again. Ayan, fight. So, ayan, similar guys, all. And the official color name guys is black, multicolor. Ay, ganun. So, yan lang, nakalagay sa official color name niya. Ayan. So, ayan guys, let's unbox and check the pair. So, ito siya. Cement paper. Ayan, at, yun, nakabungad kagad. The first pair guys. Panalo. Ganda. The red. Oh. And let's check the quality guys of this pair. Yan. Ating Jordan 4. Ano po ba? Wala na. There is another white here. White paper. Sa box. Yan. So guys, ang ating Jordan 4 Red Thunder. So, yan. Ito siya guys. Oh. Ang angas. Wow. Then, a Jumpman logo for the insole. And guys, basahin muna natin ang kanyang specs. Again, the Air Jordan 4 Thunder Red features on all black Duraback upper. So, yan. Duraback upper ang kanyang quality. Then, with the red netted underlace and eyelets. Yan. On tongue, signature Air Jordan flight patch. So, ayan. A signature Air Jordan flight patch. Is stitch. Ayan, nakatahi siya. Vibrant red midsole. Ayan, vibrant midsole. And Jumpman heel tab. Ayan, complete the retro design. So, ayan guys. The Air Jordan 4 Red Thunder release last January 15. So, today, 18 ba? Something. With a retail price of $190 US. So, ayan, sa stocks medyo tumataas na. Depends on the size guys. But, ayan, ang ganda ng pagka-color blocking niya guys. So, ayan, panalo siya guys. Ang ating Air Jordan 4 Red Thunder o Thunder Red o Crimson. Dami lang tawag guys. Basta sa akin, panalo yung ng color blocking niya. So, ayan, ang makikita mo lang white color which is yung Jumpman. So, all major color that you can see on the spare guys is red and black. Ang asa guys, pati sa outsole, see? Jumpman white and yun, color blocking niya. Black and Duraback nga, Duraback, ang sinasabi nila, yun, lagi siyang parang naghihimol-mol. So, it attracts more dirt. Parang similar with the breads. So, by the way, we will compare with the breads, guys. I think let's on foot and check the pair, guys. So, tara! to the vlog, guys. So we tried and test already the Jordan 4 Red Thunder. So ang napakaangas siya, guys. Kahit anong suot nyo, bumabagay lang siya kasi nga red and black. Kahit anong pantalon, bahala kayo kung anong trip nyo. But again, for me, it's a very nice color black. Yan. So let's try to check and compare with the Jordan 4 breads. Yan ang breads natin, guys. So ito yung pinakamaangas dito, Nike Air. So, but for me, it's okay, guys. Even Jumpman, wala akong masabi. It's still... Yeah. Guys, so again, I think they're both similar, guys. So similar leather or quality that they use on the breads and the Jordan 4 Red Thunder. So the difference, yun nga, sa likod, si Jumpman and sa Nike Air logo because nga sa retro, mas ano to eh. And guys, I think that's it for today. And so pang ilang block na ba natin style na to? I think this is the third Jordan 4 that, ayun, medyo dark color natin o black. We have also the gum sole, parang ganun. Ayun nga, guys, so I think that's it for today. Again, we have on the next vlog, we have the Jordan 1, June Jordan 1, guys. So, ayan, in 2022, this is my first Jordan 1. So, check natin, guys, on the next vlog. So, yun. Hanggang dito na lang. Again, flex time. First, I want to flex Pops Rendal sa ating Jordan 4 and kay Dudong. Yun, kay Seth na tumulong sa atin sa pagkaroon ng Jordan 4. We have 2 pairs, guys. So, ayan, kasi nga, yung isa, pang-keep natin, pag tumagal, baka masira yung isa, meron tayong backup. Because I like the colorway, guys. Similar with the Lightning. So, we have the Lightning and we have also the Thunder and Lightning. So, this is the Lightning, and this is the Thunder. Lightning, Thunder. Diba? So, ano pang sunod? Earthquake o ano pa? Eh, kompleto tayo ng combination. Lightning and Thunder. So, ayan, flex time again. Pops Rendal and kay Dudong. And again, flex time, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shoutout to all the admin members ng Team Positive at ang ating PVK 2.0 na kasama natin doon lagi, si Brian Puntanar at si Palaboy OFW o si Robert. Yun. I think that's for today. Thank you and mabuhay.